Welcome back to the channel. So today is the 8th day of our Clickbank 30-day make money challenge, where we're going to try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic. As you can see from here, today is the 23rd. So on this challenge, so this is the 8th day. So I'm just going to update you guys on what has been going on with the account, if you actually made any money. I'm also going to show you the things I've been doing on the different social media accounts to try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch in 30 days. So these are accounts from here. So if I go to the dashboard, from here we're going to see if we actually made any sales or we did not make any sales. As you can see from here, this is a realistic way to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic. So this is a realistic challenge. You can see from here we have not made any money, but if I go right here to reporting, you're going to see that we are making progress and we are starting from scratch. So we are already making a lot of progress. You can see from here, yesterday we got up to 3 clicks. So you can see right here that 3 people that visited our offer, and we have a lot more potential to go and get sales, because as we're growing our social media accounts, many people are clicking and going back to our offer, and very soon it's just a matter of time before we start making sales on this account using 100% free traffic. So we'll go, for example, to today. Let's click on apply and see how much traffic we got. So you can see also today we got up to 3 clicks right here on our affiliate link. So this is starting from scratch, and this is just the 8th day. If you continue growing this till the 30th day, you are going to get a lot of traffic, and hopefully by this end of this 30-day challenge, we are going to make our first sale on Clickbank using 100% free traffic, and without having to spend any money in adverts. So if you go, for example, right here to the tracking ID, and we're going to see where this traffic is coming from. Let's sort by tracking ID. I can see that for this one we got all the traffic only from Instagram. So you can see this tracking ID right here. So we got the clicks from our Instagram account. So Instagram is very powerful, so I recommend that you go and create a lot more Instagram accounts to start creating contents there and promoting your affiliate offers, because Instagram is actually very powerful, so as Pinterest and also TikTok. So let me show you guys some things I've been doing on the other accounts. So let me first show you guys here on TikTok. So these are TikTok accounts, and you can see from here I've been experimenting with different styles of content, and you can see from here some of them are getting views and some are getting less views. You can see I've been posting AI images, as I show you guys in the other videos on how to go on create these AI images for free. So you can see I'm posting, for example, AI generated weight loss videos as well. You can see some of them are getting views. You can see this one has up to 153 views, 100 views. I can see this one has up to 500 views. So to go and make money with this realistically, all you're going to do is you're going to be posting consistently. So this is what many people are not going to tell you, but you're going to make sure to post consistently, because many people don't show you behind the scenes. Many people just show you how they've gotten a lot of views and they've made a lot of money, but they don't show you behind the scenes of the work that they have done to go and make money. That's why I'm showing you guys in this challenge what you're going to be doing if you want to go and make money just like the other gurus are making money using free traffic. All you're going to do, you're going to go and create social media pages, post consistently until you find something that is already working. You're going to post that a lot more and you're going to get more traffic, and that is where you can start making sales. So all you're going to do, we're going to be posting consistently on this particular TikTok account, and we're going to be experimenting with different content as well. So just for example, if you go right back to our Pinterest account, so this is a brand new Pinterest account that I just created, as I showed you guys in the last video. I can see from here it has 29 impressions, but this is going to take at least a day for the impressions to show right here in the analytics. So you can see right here, for now it's just showing just 29 impressions on our pins, but when it's going to be updated, you're going to see that we actually got a lot more impressions than what is showing in the analytics. So I'm still going to be posting a lot more contents from here, and I'm also going to create a lot more different Pinterest accounts that I'm going to show you in the next coming videos. So if you go back right here to the other accounts, so let's go back right here, these other Pinterest accounts, I can see from here I'm still posting more contents from here and it's still getting traffic. You go, for example, to the analytics, you can see from here right now we're getting up to 331 impressions on this particular account, and we're also getting some clicks. As I show you guys in the other videos, we already got some clicks right here from this account to our affiliate offer. So all we're going to do from here is that we're going to be posting consistently, and we're going to create a lot more Pinterest accounts so they can go and get a lot more traffic from Pinterest. So that is it for the Pinterest accounts. all you're going to do, you're going to post consistently. We're going to look for what is already working on Pinterest. We're going to save those contents and we're going to post it back on our account. So that's it, guys, for the Pinterest. So let me go, for example, to the Instagram accounts. As you can see from here, and I'm still posting also consistent contents. I'm trying experimenting with different images, like these AI images that I showed you guys in the last video. And I'm also posting, for example, weight loss contents on weight loss before and after. And I'm also posting weight loss workout videos and also weight loss memes, so to try and get a viral video in one of these accounts. So you can see from here some are getting views. For example, you can see this one 100 views. You can see some of them are still at 4 views, some of them still have 0 views. So when you're getting started, I have not gotten a viral video, it's just going to be like this until you get a viral video and get some good recommendations from Instagram. So you can see this account, we're still posting right here and it's still growing every single day. You can see from here, this one, we are at 12 followers right now. You can see from here, our link is here. And also you can see that I'm also consistently posting stories. If I open the stories, you can see that here, this is going to send people back to my affiliate offer. I'm going to put a call to action there every single time. If anybody click from here, they're going to go to my offer. On the second account, you can see from here we have 8 followers right now. You can see from here I'm still posting consistent content, and you can see our views are actually going up. So you can see right here the views are going up little by little as you're going to be posting consistently. By the end of 30 days, you're going to see that we're going to be getting a lot more views than the views that we're getting right now. So to make money with free traffic, all you have to do is post consistently, experiment with different content, and by the end of the day, you are going to see the content that is going to work the best on your account, and that is the content that we are going to be posting a lot more on our Instagram account. So that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be trying other different formats right here, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys any different format of contents that I'm going to be creating on this account, so they can also go and follow and see exactly what I'm doing. And for this AI video, so let me open, for example, this one. This is some video that I posted right here on TikTok. So what you're going to do is to go and find this type of videos or viral videos. All you're going to do, you're going to go, for example, to TikTok. You can go and type, for example, weight loss before and after, or for example, weight loss video, or for example, hashtag weight loss. And you're going to go and click on the filters, and you're going to search, for example, by the most viewed, and that's where you're going to find a lot of this type of content. And you can also go and do that as well on Instagram. So if you click, for example, let me go, for example, to hashtag weight loss, you're going to find a lot of content from here, and most of the time you're going to see a lot of viral videos already that you can go and repurpose, and you can also go and post or model the content type and post on your own account. So let me just click on this, for example, see results anyway. I can see from here the contents that are performing well. From here you can see, for example, these images and also the videos that are performing well. And all you're going to do, you can go and look for the one that are getting tons of views and tons of comments, and this is the one that we're going to go and download and repurpose either on our Instagram account or on our TikTok accounts. And you can also go and post this as well on our Pinterest account. So you can see from here there's a lot of, for example, images that get a lot of views. You can see, for example, images that get a lot of views just like this one. It means that it's already going viral. So let me go back right here. You can also see videos. So let me show you guys the other video up here. You can see this, the video has 28,000 views. Let's open this, and what you can do from here is that you can also go and check this account and see the type of videos that are going viral on that page, and those are the videos that we can go and repurpose on our own account. So let's go, for example, to the accounts. You can go, for example, to the reels and see the videos that are getting a lot more views. You can see, for example, some are getting 25,000 views, 7,000 views. We're going to go and look for the ones that actually has a lot of views, and these are the type of contents that we can go and repurpose on our accounts. So if you check in my accounts, you're going to see that I'm also doing a lot of remixes. So let me show you guys right here in the other accounts. So I open, for example, this one. You're going to see that most of these videos, some of these videos right here, I've actually done a remix to try and get a lot more views. So if you go, for example, through the Instagram app, you're going to see that some of these videos from here I've actually done a remix on these different videos right here. So I'm going to be trying all styles of content I've told you guys, and I'm also going to be updating you guys on how it is performing on those different accounts. So that's, guys, so that's a quick update of what is happening on the Instagram accounts and also Pinterest and TikTok accounts and what I'm doing. And also the good thing from now is that we're also getting a lot more consistent clicks. So that is very, very important, because it's from the consistent clicks that you're going to start making money, and hopefully by the end of this 30 days challenge we're going to make money. So that's it, guys. I'm going to be doing a lot more, and I'm also going to be updating you guys on what I'm going to be doing, and also the new accounts that I'm going to be creating, and also new styles of content. So that's it, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video.